Hey guys, welcome back. Finally, OnePlus revealed Indian pricing of OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro along with pricing of OnePlus Z wireless headsets. How many of you are happy with the pricing of OnePlus 8 series? Do let me know in the comment section below. As you guys are aware, due to COVID-19, we are not sure about the availability of OnePlus 8 series in India. And most of the YouTubers have also not received the review units. But OnePlus have introduced AR filters by which everyone can experience the unboxing of OnePlus 8 series. For that, just head to your Instagram application and download the filters. Now let's quickly take a look at the unboxing of OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro. Select OnePlus filters and tap on the screen. You will see OnePlus 8 Pro box. Again tapping on it will unbox the packaging, and here we have the first look of OnePlus 8 Pro contents. One is 30-watt charger along with USB to Type-C charging cable. Then we have the beautiful looking OnePlus 8 Pro which comes in 3 color variants. One is black, ultramarine blue and glacial green. And at last, OnePlus transparent case for extra protection. And the same way you can also unbox your OnePlus 8 using AR filters. So guys, this was a quick unboxing of OnePlus 8 Pro using AR filters. Once we get the retail unit, we'll get a proper video including features of OnePlus 8 series. And now let's take a look at the pricing of both the devices. So OnePlus 8 will come in 3 variants. One is 6GB RAM with 128GB of internal storage. That will cost you 41,999 Indian rupees, and the color variant of that device will be glacial green. Second device under OnePlus 8, that will come with 8GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage, and that will cost you 44,999. This will come in 2 color variants. One will be black and the second one will be glacial green. And third OnePlus 8 device will come with 12 gigs of RAM with 256 gigs of internal storage, and that will cost you 49,999, and this will come in 3 color variants. One will be black, glacial green and interstellar glow. So these are the prices of OnePlus 8 series. Now talking about OnePlus 8 Pro series, in that the base variant will be of 8GB RAM, and that will come with 128 gigs of internal storage which will cost you 54,999. That will have 2 color variants, glacial green and black. And the top model of OnePlus 8 Pro will have 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of internal storage, and that will cost you 59,999. This will have again 3 color variants, black, glacial green and ultramarine blue. So guys, these were the pricing of OnePlus 8 series. Last but not least, OnePlus also revealed the pricing of, in India, Bullet Wireless Z will only cost 1,999. So guys, what are your thoughts about the pricing of OnePlus 8 series and OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z? Do let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you are new to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.